All right, go ahead.
Okay, I'm Russell. Trying to figure out how to install this so-called handle assembly.
Okay. There we go.
It don't seem to be working just right. Okay, we got it like that.
Right.
As soon as we installed the handle, well, it happens again.
Okay. Let me just. Okay. That this guy here comes off.
Mm-hmm.
And you've been working on this for about 20 minutes.
Yeah, 20 minutes. The so-called instructions ain't all that.
Uh-huh. Okay. So this is the Moen faucet, right?
Mm-hmm. So you gotta have that on there with a beauty ring.
Mm-hmm.
It's locked in all 3 clips.
Mm-hmm. So what you're doing is you're trying to put on a replacement part that Moen sent to address this problem, right?
Right.
Which is this guy here started coming off and from the faucet.
And as you see, when you turn it off and on, as soon as you turn it off and on,
The thing comes disconnected again. All right. Russell, I really appreciate it. Thank you very much for your